Hi everyone, we are back here with a new topic. It's a very trendy topic. You must have heard it a lot in the last couple of years. It's still improving, and new technologies are coming in this area, cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? Let's me explain you with an example. Let's say you want to start a new company. You have an organization A. Let's say it's a software company, let's say it's a bank, or it's so whatever, a marketing company, uh, a car sharing company, or whatever. So for this company, what you need a few computers, you need some storage space, you need some databases, you need maybe some software applications, you maybe need email services, you maybe also need some other kind of some data storage, whatever, Um, so you have to, or servers, you need some servers, Uh, so before your business starts, you need to have all these things, or all these applications, or all these infrastructures in place in your organization A, which will cost you a lot of money, of course. What actually happened, that companies like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft thought that let us really provide such kind of services to our customers remotely, to these new organizations, to the new companies, from our own servers, somehow. So what we can do, we can simply, as users, or as an organization, we can simply pay according to the need of, for example, if we need at the start only one server, we pay for one server. If we need a little bit of few gigabytes of data storage, we use that. If we need some few software applications, we use that, we pay for that. And the cloud, uh, for example, you must have heard AWS, Amazon Cloud, Azure Cloud, Google Cloud. They have these services here in their locations, um, and they provide us those services on demand. So how it helps us to, kind of quickly set up our business and mainly focus on our business, because we don't need to, to kind of pay so much maintenance costs, and manage resources and technical people with know-how who can manage all these, this infrastructure, locally in our organization. We simply pay to Amazon, like for AWS cloud, AWS cloud, Azure, or we pay to Google, and they provide us with all these services on demand. If our demand increases, for example, if our users increase, or if our customers increase, and we can have, for example, we can pay for a little bit more and get 2, 4, 8, 3, 9, whatever amount of servers. We can increase our storage space to a lot more gigabytes. We can increase the number of database. If we increase our employees in the organization as our business grows, we can simply, pay for more software applications, to can pay a bit more to get access to, on other locations, on other terminals, for the same software applications. We don't need to pay, for this hefty fee for, those licenses for those software applications. These licenses for the software applications can be very expensive. So this is actually what cloud computing is. It provides us with so much ease of doing business by providing us the services on demand. And it's scalable. For example, we can simply, as I said, we can increase the number of servers, we can increase the data storage, we can increase our software application access, we can increase storage space, databases, everything we need according to our requirements. And we don't need to worry about if something will break down and everything will come down, our whole business will be down, or our whole website will be down. Everything will be maintained by the cloud. There are no outages, no downtimes. Everything works quite close to perfect. So what are, for example, I can tell you one or two of the common examples that we have heard daily, or we use in our daily life, is, for example, OneDrive and Google Drive. You must have all heard that. You must be using this to store for storage. So that's what cloud computing is. Thanks.